So ladies and gents, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll be doing something different. I'll be installing, as I said in the title, a fake Windows 11. So, Miss, you have a low-end PC, you have a laptop, a shit laptop that doesn't run on Windows 11, but you want that Windows 11 look, you want the feeling of that Windows 11, but you cannot afford this. You only have a bad laptop that barely can run Windows 10. So, what about Windows 11? All right, I got the solution for you. Let's just get into it. I will tell you what we're going to be using today after I start actually installing that thing. So the first thing I will do is create a new virtual machine. We're going to select the typical. It says recommended. Let's skip this one for now. So for now, I'm not going to choose Microsoft's Windows because it's not really Windows. It's Windows, but not Windows. I will tell you later what it is, okay? So let's select Linux. Yeah, it's a Linux system. Good question. Okay, maybe I gotta tell you what we're gonna be installing today. It's called Linux, something like that, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, this is what we're gonna be installing. Yeah, I'm sorry. What? No. Me, myself, I'm gonna need to do some Googling. What's Linux FX is based on? Linux, of course, on Linux, but which one I gotta choose? I'll assume it's based on Ubuntu. Let's just say it's based on Ubuntu. I don't know. Next, Linux, or fake Windows Win 11. There you go. I'm gonna install it somewhere in a virtual machine box I have. Yep, I'll call it fake Windows. Just like that. Here you go. Next, it says in here it needs only around. Okay, where's the information about that? There is a page that says, okay, let's just go to the homepage. Is this the homepage? This is the homepage. Download contacts. Okay, it's only need 20 gigabytes of storage. That's what it says when I was reading about it earlier. So I'm gonna give it 25 because I'm so generous today. All right, as a single file. Next, finish. I'm doing this for the first time, by the way. Never done it in my life. Trying this for the first time on this virtual machine. So if I did something wrong, don't blame me. It's my first time. And else don't take this as a tutorial because I'm not showing you how to do it. I'm doing this myself for the first time. So for memory, I will give it around, let me see, 8 gigabytes. Let's give it 8 gigabytes. Good. And what about other stuff? Processors, keep it like that, keep it like that. Yeah, the ISO image, gonna select this, go here. Holy moly. Oh no, not this one. Here, where is this? Ubuntu? No, it's not. Oh yeah, this one. I'm so blind. I believe that's it for now, right? Turn off that for now. I will turn this back on after I install the drivers and click OK. For now, it seems pretty okay. Let's give it the first launch and turn off the drivers for later. Okay, it's doing it. Select F2 to select the language. Oh my god. No, I need to. Oh, no, wait. Just gonna run? Is this? It's doing something. All right. Winx 11.25 LTS. So I was right. This is kind of more like an Ubuntu. Yeah, it's an actual Ubuntu, okay? SMBus host control not enabled. I don't know what that means. I'm still a newbie, so it's doing something again. Oh, I hate that message. I really hate that message. When it says failed, I feel like I've done something wrong. Did I? No, it's giving me a black screen. Oppa, I probably have done something wrong for sure. Or maybe not. Maybe I didn't. Hell no, I'm professional. Right now, currently, I feel like a professional because that's worked for the first time. Or let's say for my first time. Let me take a sip of my coffee. Super good. I love drinking coffee and doing stuff. It gives me that feeling of, I'm awake, I'm smart. Here you go. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Isn't that Windows 11? Isn't that Windows 11? That's what I'm talking about, people. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's go full screen for the moment. This is actually so smooth with no drivers whatsoever. Let's just check it out, okay? I know when you click this, or maybe this, it should pop up the terminal. Oh yeah, I was right. Okay, wait. Okay, let's just search for terminal. There is console. I like that. I actually like that. Wait, let me off it. Alright, so it's based on Linux. Yeah, of course, it's a virtual machine. Plasma. Okay. This is actually super interesting. It's super modern, not gonna lie. It's using 3.19 gigahertz. That's good. Uptime, yeah, super good. Actually like that, not gonna lie. I'm actually enjoying using that thing. Oh, really? That looks like Windows 11. Wow. They know this. Okay, let's go to the settings. You can see, like, you can spot that this is a fake Windows. But oh my god. All right. All right. Wow. This is so similar to Windows 11. Kubuntu. That's giving me some. It says Winx wherever. Now it's saying Kubuntu. And I'm installing this as an Ubuntu. And I believe they're all the same. The kernel and everything is all the same, just different names. Okay, let's proceed installing that thing. So install Winx 11. All right. LTS. Language, English. I'll just keep everything the same. Erase, absolutely, 25. Yep, next. I'll call it Jason. Yeah, Jason. Password. Do I need a password? Okay, let's just give it a password real quick. Repeats. There you go. I just would like to log in automatically. And the next. Install. Install now. I'm actually not that bad when it's about Linux because I installed that thing multiple times on my hardware, including my laptop. I have Ubuntu on my laptop. I'm using it, enjoying it, but this seems to be way better than the Ubuntu I'm using. I would love to install that personally on my hardware because the look and feel is actually smooth even on a virtual machine, which is really surprising, not gonna lie. So for the moment, it's like basically installing, just like any installation of any operating system. So no big deal. While it's doing that, I would love to explore a bit more. So you can see that this is actually a one-to-one. It's like almost looking the same. Even the background in here, the recommended section, I'm sure you can turn that off because Linux, everything is customizable. You can spot the difference in here because the clock doesn't actually look this way. What else? But everything else is just Linux. Mostly is Linux, but with Windows 11 locks. Okay, so it's now at 7%. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's just wait for that thing to get installed. And maybe try to spot the differences between Windows 11 and this fake Windows 11. 9% already. I kind of feel like this is going to be so slow, honestly. Super, super slow. Even on a SSD. But of course, I will understand because this is a virtual machine and it's not going to be as fast and convenient as a normal installation on real hardware. So yeah, while it is installing, how can I hide this screen? I cannot. Okay, I cannot. But in here we got a SOAR. This is probably security updates available. All right. Let's open this file manager. Wow. No, this is really cool. It's actually much better looking than the actual Windows 11 file manager. It says Windows Linux. You got your trash, videos, pictures, everything else you will assume that will be in any operating system. Of course, the icons, copied everything, pasted in here. Network, recent locations, pretty regular, not gonna lie. Nothing really that surprising. I'm giving my honest opinion at this point. Okay, this is different. This is no Windows 11. This is Ubuntu or Linux in general. This looks like a Linux thingy. Display, okay, pretty cool, pretty cool. What does this do? Oh, okay, okay. We got 4 windows in here. What about this one? Does it do anything? Yep, it does. It does. And it's actually the widgets, where you can add widgets to your home screen. I wish they add that thing to Windows 11 soon. It kind of exists, but not really. Not the way we want it. Got a clock, everything else, battery, brightness, Bluetooth. That's good. What about weather? Says your location. Okay, okay. Oh, we're just gonna wait for it to finish, I guess. What about the sounds? Oh, come on. They could just have done something similar to Windows 11. This is not really that similar, in my opinion. It's way different. Okay, what about this one? Okay, what about Copilots? Run command. Okay, so this is not actually Copilot. This is to run a command. Pretty okay, pretty okay. About debug, pretty much it. So at this point, I will just finish for that thing to finish installing. Oh, wait. Wait. This is actually Copilot. Super cool. This is the actual Copilot. Pretty cool. Anything else that I forgot to check? And here there's some updates, security updates. Pretty much it. I checked everything. What about the browser? I assume it's going to be Firefox, but a customized version. Oh, okay. Wait, is this Firefox or actual Edge? Hi. Welcome to Microsoft Edge. Okay. Fast, whatever. Yeah. Can I skip? Wait, I'm confused. Of course, it's a Chromium-based thingy, so it can be installed everywhere. But they did it. They actually installed Edge on this, pre-installed Edge on this fake Windows 11. Pretty cool. Amazing. It actually works a function like Microsoft's Edge. Pretty cool. Okay. Anything else I forgot to check? Let's see all the apps in here. You got Cheese, basically a camera replica. Google Chrome, so they pre-installed Google Chrome as well. Partition Manager, this is some Linux thingy. Yep. KDE connects. Wait, menu editor. I will check that out later. What else? So they got everything like Outlook, OneNote, OneDrive. But this is the online version. It's not the application version that's come pre-installed on Windows. Keyboard, Live Viewer, Kates. Let's see the Notepad. Oh, no, that doesn't look like Notepad at all. Kind of, but not really. Way different. There's just icons on the side. Yeah. But it's something. It's something. We're guessing somewhere. What's else? Active Directory? What's that? I don't know. Android. Wait. No. Wait. So it's even come pre-installed with Android in it. Not really that surprised because on Linux, Android is an easy thing to install, but I didn't expect to come pre-installed with it. I'm wondering what Android version is that. Okay, I will check that out as well. We got Arc. That's also like WinRAR, but like 7-zip, but for Linux. Okay, what else? Oh, it's done. Okay, it's done. Let's just restart that thing. Go ahead. Of course, the failed message over there, but that's fine. Not really a big deal. Please remove the installation menu and then press enter. Let's just press enter. Pretty cool. I'm really surprised. With all honesty, I never thought that it will be that similar because there is a lot of similarities, but at the same time, it's way different. Especially when we're talking about Android pre-installed, about Edge pre-installed, which is really surprising, and all the other stuff. It's Windows 11, but different than Windows 11. But honestly, with all this stuff it comes with, this is going to be way better than Windows 11. And of course, it will run better on low-end machines. We're talking about even a Core 2 Duo or something like that will run that thing smoothly because it's Linux. And we all know that Linux runs smoothly on anything. Basically, you can take a potato and just put Linux on it and it will run just fine. Even with all the effects, Windows effects, activated and all that shit, but no worries, it's just gonna run. Okay, so it's loading. We're getting somewhere. Taking another sip from my coffee. Pretty good. Here we are. It loaded with the settings. Pretty good. But what I gotta do now is basically install the drivers because I cannot use that thing the way it is. So what I gotta do is come somewhere over here, install. Oh no. Okay. Man, there is a problem. Go ahead, open that thing up. So they don't do it the same way they used to. So you gotta do it manually now. Previously, you just click here, install VMware tools, and there's just like a drive that will pop up and you basically can install directly. But now it's way different. So what I gotta do is basically transfer it. I will do that simply by taking this, take that. Oh no, I gotta turn on something over here, grab inputs. I'm sure it's somewhere over here. Zaps. Nope. I'm sure it's somewhere over here. You know what? I will do a really stupid move. Power, grab, manage. This is weird. Okay. You know what? I will just take that link, copy, and just paste it on Edge. There's that thing called shared folders. But I'm so lazy to figure that out. It's been a long time since I used that thing. So I'm talking about the virtual machine thingy. So I'll just download the same thing that I downloaded on my actual machine. I will download this in here. Hi is the same thing. Please just move on. Come on. We got stuff to do. Wait. I cannot even copy? Guys, let me figure that out. I gotta copy that thing, but how to do it? View, movable, grab inputs? What do they mean, grab inputs? I'm feeling stupid right now. How do I do it? I want to like copy the things and just, oh man, I don't know. Can't I just copy that? Paste it, I guess? No, I cannot. I really cannot. How do I transfer this files? Send, Control, Alt, Delete. What? Hell? Okay, I gotta figure that out. So first of all, I gotta go here, Preferences, Inputs. Is it some inputs? No. I gotta set up a shared folder now. I'm lost. I'm really so lost. How do I grab and copy that thing? Cannot grab? I feel silly right now. Wait, okay, you know, let's power off the machine and let's set up the shared folder thing because I know there's a thing. That video gonna be a bit long, but that's fine. I'm sorry guys if you got bored, but we all gotta learn at some points. This is taking so long to turn off. Please, I guess. Can you do something? No? Okay, so I have an idea. Let's come over here, come to this, and then add CD. Yeah, then ISO, then this, and then this. Oh no, over here. No, over here. There you go. Click OK. Power. I know this is the silliest way to copy the folder that ISO I need to install the drivers, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I will find out later how to do it. The shared folder and everything. But for now, I'll just use that way to install the drivers because I need those drivers. And if not, it will not let me use 3D graphics, whatever it's called, in the settings. And also, it will be super laggy and unusable, but I want it to be usable. So this is why I'm installing the driver. This time it didn't show the error, which is pretty good. Here you go. Linux with copilots. Thank you so much, even if we're not going to use this. But I guess it comes with copilots. Here we are. Okay, so I gotta come here and then select this pretty much. And then what do I do, man? Okay, I think I will just run this. Yeah, excuse, right? Am I doing the right thing right now? I guess I am. It should be how it should be installed. What am I even saying? Okay, it's not doing anything. Please, can I just launch that? Open as administrator? No? Password? Yeah, of course. Here you go. That's the password. Can I launch it now? It's not doing anything, so unfortunate. Maybe I should run this, no? Excuse? Nothing. What about this? What does it do? More install. Yeah, wait. I think we gotta extract that thing, or I don't know. Okay, wait. What if I double click, then click on this? Load in archive. But, okay, what do I do? Can I extract that? Open as administrator. No, nothing. I feel like I'm wasting time right now, but okay, let's extract it to download, I guess. Here you go. Extract it. Pretty good. Now come here. Please tell me it will work. It will work. Come on. This gotta work. Nothing. What? How do I install drivers in that thing? Maybe this one. Okay, and here to install upgrade tools, run the program from the command prompts either in text mode or from the terminal inside the X section. You must have super user privilege. Okay, if you are installing VMware for the first time, you can hit the enter key each time you Now I feel like a newbie. Wait, should I just do this? Copy, come here, open, and paste. No? How do I install this thing, man? Okay, if you're installing VMware source for the first time, install and run the program from a command prompt, either in text mode or from a terminal inside an X session. You must have super user. Does that mean I should do something like sudo and then paste that thing? Then I mean, yeah, what? That doesn't make sense. Installer, I'll try to execute that for the last time. If it didn't work, I'll just give up. I guess we're giving up today. Okay, let's just discover a bit more about this. So Windows 11, the fake Windows 11. I wanted to check under it. So, oppa. Okay, I gotta install the drivers. Unfortunate. Yep, I gotta install the drivers. I guess I will stop that video here. Maybe in the next one, after I install the drivers, I will do something with it. Maybe. So what do you think, guys? The fake Windows 11 with all of that. I'll try to take a look on this in the next video if I had a chance to. And yeah, this was it for today. If you guys enjoyed that video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And also leave a comment about what I should do with this in the next video. Besides checking it out and checking all the options it have. And yeah, bye-bye. Have a good one.